You will need 1 drilling machine, 1 steel insert, 1 drill plus 1 tap for correct insert size, 1 chamfer to 1 steel insert, 1 screw with 2 nuts, 1 dip of strong locking paste. Step 1. Make a bigger chamfer of the damaged hole. Step 2. Drill the hole with 3 to 4 millimeters less than the total length of the insert. Step 3. Tap the hole using the taping tool. Step 4. Add a dip of locking fluid to the insert. Step 5. Insert the screw with 2 locking nuts into the insert. Step 6. Screw the insert below 0.5 of the surface. Remove any remaining locking fluid, and you will have a good and strong tap hole for life.